You have suffered some loss due to lack of customer trust, and now you want to rebuild your brand and you want to rebuild your consumer trust. So this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Nitin, and I help healthpreneurs and doctors to create a sustainable brand and grow their brand along with building their consumer trust. So today we are going to talk about this, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel where I share various tips, tutorial ideas, strategies related to growing your clinical practice or your healthcare business. I hope you have already subscribed. Let's get started with today's topic. Today we are going to talk about rebuilding consumer trust and strategic approach after suffering some kind of loss. So, uh, you want to rebuild consumer trust after you have suffered a crisis. It's a multifaceted process and it requires strategic planning and sincere communication. So today we are going to talk about some key strategies that will help you to effectively regain your consumer confidence. So to begin with, you need to have transparent communication. You need to acknowledge the issue that you are currently facing. You need to openly address the crisis with the detailing what has actually happened and its implications for the consumers. Once you have communicated that, you need to showcase the transparency, and that is crucial in rebuilding the trust as it fosters a sense of honesty and accountability. You need to provide regular updates on the that ongoing issue. You need to keep your consumers informed about the steps that are being taken to rectify the situation and how you are going to prevent same in the future. So this ongoing dialogue helps to reassure your existing or maybe potential consumers that their concern is being prioritized. You need to implement some changes. You need to focus on quality assurance. So you need to basically enhance your products, goods, services, quality and safety measures. By demonstrating that a significant improvements have been made so that you can help it can help you to restore your confidence in your brand. The crisis management plan has to be in place. You need to develop and implement a comprehensive crisis management strategy that includes potential, like identifying potential risk and preparing for the responses to mitigate them. You need to focus on customer engagement. You need to showcase empathy and support. Please show some genuine concern for the affected customers, offering some refunds or maybe replacements or some additional benefits that can demonstrate that you value their loyalty. You need to have that feedback mechanism. That feedback mechanism will establish channels for customers to express their concerns and any suggestions. You need to be actively looking or listening to that feedback that can guide you to recover, like your recovery efforts, and show your customers that their voices, their feedback does matter. Begin with the positive messaging. Start some advertising campaigns. You can use advertising to communicate your commitment to safety and quality. Always highlight any positive changes that you have made since the crisis that has happened, such as any improved processes or any customer service enhancements. You can collect some testimonials and endorsement. You have to leverage that positive feedback from your satisfied customers or maybe some industry experts to rebuild that credibility. Authentic endorsement can significantly influence the public perception. You can start building relationships. You need to be get involved in some kind of community engagement activities. Always participates in any community initiatives or industry events to rebuild your brand's reputation. So engaging with these stakeholders can help you foster some goodwill, and it will help you to demonstrate your what is call it commitment to improvement. So this long-term commitment is essential. So understanding you need to understand that rebuilding trust takes time. So consistency is in your messaging, in your action, and is very essential for restoring that consumer confidence over a long period of time. So by focusing on these strategies, your company, your brand can not only recover from that crisis, but it can also emerge much stronger with enhanced loyalty from customers and consumers, and they will appreciate your transparency, your accountability, and your efforts to improve. Try implementing these strategies and let me know how it helped your brand. If you have any questions or any concerns related to this, please ask your questions in the comment section. And if you are looking for a more personalized consultation to discuss about your existing problem or current scenario, you can always get in touch with me and I would be happy to help you. So, this is Dr. Nitin signing out. Bye bye.